In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to a specific date in TradingView. This is great when you want to review past price action, line up events with earnings or news, or simply jump to a point in history without endless scrolling. I'll keep it clear and simple so you can follow along in your own account. First, open the chart in your TradingView account. Choose the symbol and time frame you want to work with, whether it's a daily chart for broad history or an intraday time frame for more detail. Make sure you're on the chart view, not the screener or ideas sections. If you're analyzing a particular market session, keep in mind the chart's time zone shown at the bottom. That will help your date selection match what you expect to see. Next, look along the bottom toolbar of the chart for the small calendar icon. It typically sits with other navigation tools. Click that calendar icon to open the date navigation panel. If you don't spot it right away, try widening your browser window or hovering over the bottom toolbar to reveal hidden icons. When the calendar panel opens, you'll see a search field where you can enter the date you want to jump to. Type the date in a standard format, such as YYYYMMDD or MMDDYYY, and use a 4-digit year for best results. If your chart time zone differs from your local time, remember that the candle you land on reflects the chart's time zone. After typing the date, pause for a moment to let the chart recognize the format. If TradingView needs clarification, adjust the format and try again. You can also pick a date directly from the calendar view. Use the arrows to move between months and years. Then click the specific day you want. This is handy if you're browsing around a known period, like a particular quarter or year, and don't need to remember the exact numeric format. Finally, click Go To. The chart will jump straight to the date you selected. If you land between sessions or on a day with no trading, the view may snap to the nearest available bar. From here, you can zoom in or out to adjust how much context you see, or change the time frame to reveal more or fewer candles around that date. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, click the calendar icon, choose or enter your date, and hit Go To. With this, you can navigate history quickly and focus on the analysis that matters.